Pag pangit ka like I was, bullied talaga.
People always told me na mabenta ka sa AFAP. Kasi I am, brown skin.
Pag gwapo ka, automatic siguro asshole.
You're not a good person.
Okay.
Interesting.
Totoo kasi may pretty privilege talaga. Whether sa Philippines or sa ibang bansa. Kasi alam nyo naman ang tao may pagka-judger. With that being said, people judge you based on how you look muna.
Even with my Botox, I'm not changing what my face looks like.
Yes.
I'm just preserving it.
I think that beauty comes from personally wanting to grow in every way.
Yeah. Pag matalino, tapos normal lang itsura, nagkakaroon din ng girlfriend.
Hello mga ka-VOP! We are back for another episode of POV. My name is Aaron and I have two amazing hosts with me again.
Hi, my name is Inka.
I'm Attorney Anselmo. Hello.
Yes, and today is going to be a very interesting and possibly divisive topic because we are talking about beauty preferences.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Everyone has different preferences.
Oo naman. Wait, who was your crush growing up?
I had many. So as a kid,
Same.
for some reason, ang dami-dami kong crush. One of my earliest crushes was Carlo Aquino during the JCS Cyberkada days.
What's that?
11:30 a.m. every Saturday on ABS-CBN.
Oh, wow.
There was a show called Cyberkada. Cyberkada with John Prats, Carlo Aquino, and Stefano Mori. And they had a band.
Damn.
And then they would play and then they would read letters from fans. And I would watch that. Tas 4 p.m. G-Mix, same cast.
Oh, same cast.
Same cast. Same cast. Love it. I love it.
Wow.
Yes.
Interesting.
Okay.
How about you?
Well, for me, dalawa. Si Isa Calzado, Encantadia era. So, di ko alam yung time slot pero Encantadia era yun. Saka si Miss Nadine Samonte. Hindi niyo nakilala yung Starstruck. If my memory serves me right, Starstruck.
I
Pumunta
see.
sa bahay namin kasi piyesta.
Wow.
Kasya.
Right.
Love it. You.
How about you, Miss Ing?
When I was growing up, my crushes were, oh my God, I super loved Reka Hanabishi.
Okay, cartoon.
Flame of Reka. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Mga dragon.
Oh my God. And also from the same anime, Tokiya Mikagami. Oh my God. That was like my childhood. And of course, like Tamahome. I was more of a Tamahome girl instead of a Hotohori. Who else?
I love that she's talking about this as if we all know.
Yeah.
Si Tom pala yun. Yeah, si Tom.
Nakala ko si Eugene, mga ganon. Si Eugene.
No, he wasn't my vibe.
Si Alfred, mga ganyan.
He wasn't my vibe. I was more of a
Ghost
Flame of
fight.
Reka girl
Okay.
than a ghost fighter. But I feel like it really shapes who we like now.
Yes.
No, do you feel like your crushes from before reflect in who you're with now?
No.
Bakit?
No, because I have liked many different types of men all throughout my life.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
lahat sila
Okay.
hindi magkamuka.
So wala kang type.
I like to say that I have a type, but then my roster proves me wrong.
Roster. Matindi.
How about you?
Iba-iba.
Ako may
June?
type ako.
May type
Napansin
ka?
ko throughout history. Type ko maputi.
Maputi.
Yeah. And you
like
can see from my current...
your
Yes.
fiance. Yes,
Na
yes.
talaga, even ng mga crush ko
That's
before,
true.
maputi. And ideally, kaya nga ba't ka ay Isa Calzado, medyo matangkad siya. Napansin ko later, gusto ko sa petite.
Petit.
Petite. Okay.
Yan, petite ang type ko pala.
Okay.
Interesting.
Do you have cartoon crushes?
I do. Pero Naruto lang kasi ano ko nun eh. So sila Tsunade eh. Kung kilala niyo yan. Hokage. O di nyo.
Si
Kilala mo ba
Hawks?
yan, Inka?
Si Sus.
Yes.
Okay.
Si Tsunade, saka si Sakura. O yan.
Yeah. So you like the pink hair, ganon?
Yeah, hindi na. Basta yun, medyo complexion is maputi. Napansin ko lang. Kasi ako siguro, kayo manggi ako kasi.
Same.
So gusto mo ng balance. Parang
Yeah.
ganon.
How about you, Inga? What's your type?
You know what? I actually find that I like Pinoy guys. So when I was younger, I was more into like the white dudes. I think because when I was growing up, I didn't have just anime as crushes. Okay. Think Casper,
Yo!
Devon Sawa. Oh my God.
Yes.
Casper the Ghost?
The friendly
Yes.
ghost.
Okay.
Yeah.
Si
Nung
Casper,
naging
crush
boy.
kay Casper?
Huh? May crush ako kay Casper.
Ako rin. Yung
Not
naging
as-
boy.
Not as the ghost, ha?
Akala ko
yung
si Casper
kalbong
the
white.
ghost eh. Okay.
Diba? He was so cute.
Yeah, yeah.
So cute.
Or like Hanson.
Oh my God. Ay! Passion. Okay. Okay. Hanggang ngayon,
Yeah.
I love Hanson.
Diba?
As in, gusto kong pumuntang tol sa Oklahoma para makita yung bahay nila kind of crush.
Okay.
Yes.
Stalker.
Yes.
They grew up nicely though. They look really good.
So,
And
white-
Legolas, ganon. Blonde hair.
Orlando Bloom.
Orlando Bloom.
Pero as a child,
As
did
a
you
child.
have... Legolas came out medyo nasa
2001
grade
to.
7 ka na eh.
I
no?
wasn't super like conscious of crushes when I was younger.
Understood.
Yeah. Only when I was older, that was when I was like, oh, I guess you could. I don't know if I could call it a sexual awakening.
Okay.
But before, I was into like white dudes.
Okay.
Like
Same.
I always had a. I think it's because people always told me that,
Okay.
ay, ano ka, mabenta ka sa afam.
Sorry.
Oh, take two. Take two. I think it's because people always told me na mabenta ka sa afam.
Okay.
Yes. Kasi I'm, brown skin, Filipina features, ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they'll love you in Europe. Mga ganon.
I had an AFAM face only because nung bata pa tayo,
Okay.
wala masyadong AFAM, di ba? We wouldn't
Wala.
see
Yeah.
white
Not
people.
Not like now.
Oo. So dati, novelty yon. So when I would see them, parang, uy, may
Novelty.
puti. Di ba? Parang, wow, cute ba yan? Or puti lang? Hindi mo alam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yun. In your case, ba't mo nagustuhan yung Pinoy?
When
Later on.
as I grew older, parang I found that the charm, because like of course I got to meet like a bunch of different people.
Yes,
na.
yes.
I met people from other countries
Okay.
already, and
Yes.
I found that the charm of the Pinoys, I am so enamored by the Filipino maginoo pero medyo bastos kind of
Wow.
guy. You know, diba? Parang
Yeah,
gano'n, na
yeah,
medyo
yeah.
naughty, but you're a gentleman and
Yeah.
you're a playful guy and very respectful and things like that. And I don't know, I just kind of vibe with that more than what I've encountered with
Okay.
like
Nagkaroon
foreign
siya
dudes.
ng AFAM face. How about you? Did you have
Never.
Never. For Filipinos talaga?
Yes.
Okay.
Always just been in. I would always just interact with Filipino
Okay.
guys.
Understood. Yeah.
How was your
Yeah.
AFAM phase?
Okay naman. I enjoyed the ride while I was in the AFAM phase. But I realized also na values pa lang.
Yes.
Iba na.
Iba na.
How so?
Yun din.
I find that the Westerners are very individualistic. Hindi sila masyadong ma-community, ma-family. Diba? They're very like, me, I need to look out for myself. This is me. I'm gonna have a house. I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
that mindset for me, interesting, pero hindi ako ka-vibes nun kasi I'm very close to my parents.
Same.
Diba? I'm very
Same.
close to my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parang wala silang ganong
Kanya-kanya ng buhay.
kanya-kanya.
Yeah.
And that's in their culture, which is fine.
But they look good.
They look good.
Yeah.
Diba?
On the record.
Diba?
Yes.
So like, are you an arms girl or an abs girl?
Wow. Do I have to choose?
I mean, I guess not.
Okay.
Which one do you like
Abs yan.
more?
Tinan mo, abs yan.
Oo nga, yung boyfriend niya kasi ano eh.
Both eh.
Oo.
That's why sabi ko, do I have to choose?
Do I have to choose?
Abs. Because, and this is a very Capricorn mentality, I feel like it's harder to get abs. And so if you have
Ay,
it,
totoo yan.
Interesting.
parang, you worked.
It is
Ganon.
hard. It's hard
Meron
to
kasi
get
may arms
abs.
na talaga malaki agad eh. May ganun eh. So ako naman kasi sa mas na-feel ko, gusto ko yung feminine.
Yes.
Feminine woman type.
Feminine woman type.
Yeah.
Napansin ko. Parang gusto ko yung, alam mo talaga, girl na girl. Ganon.
Yes.
Like, so you like mga petite, fair,
Yeah.
feminine, very girl talaga.
Yeah, girl.
Ganon. Gets.
How about you? Gusto ka brusco or medyo
Yes!
boy next door? Ayan.
So yes, Brusco. Oh my God. Because I feel like I would be too much for someone who isn't Brusco.
Ayun. Too much of a woman. Sabi.
Yeah.
That's very, very interesting because I, again, have dated all kinds.
Yeah.
Ang dami ata experience ni Arin. Grabe sa dated. Iba ata to.
Correct. And like for example, one of the reasons why I liked my
Okay.
boyfriend was because nakita ko siyang naka-crop top.
Oh, yeah. yeah,
Which
yeah,
is
that's
not a very masculine
commonly,
outfit.
yeah.
Yes.
But that's the one that got me. Sabi ko, whoa! Naka-crop top. Shit. Come here.
I have no comment because he's my cousin.
Okay.
Yeah, he looks great because
Diba?
the family looks great.
Amazing. Amazing. So, yeah, I think out of the three of us, ako yung technically walang type.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ako, I like Pinoy boys and I love arms and shoulders. Arms and shoulders, baby. Like, I want to know, I want to see that you can pick me up and hug me and throw me again.
Wow, wow, wow. I mean, woo, woo,
I
woo.
mean,
Hey.
You get what she's trying to say.
Love.
Yeah. You
Yes,
get-
yes. Cuddles, diba?
Yeah.
Cuddles, lambing.
That's what I
ganon.
like.
Yes. Yung problema kasi I think with my preferences was the way I went through about it was trial and error.
Okay.
So, gusto ko ba to? Ay, ayoko pala to. Gusto ko ba to? Parang try until you succeed.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yun yung
yeah.
nangyari sa akin.
Gets,
So,
gets. But when you had your AFAM phase, do you feel like, for example, when you would walk around, like people treated you better?
better?
No, because no, kasi diba in
Ginajudge.
here kasi diba ginajudge.
Kasi AFAM. Yan yung mga type ng AFAM.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Yes.
Oo nga, no?
That was a thing.
I figured kasi because diba here in the Philippines, people love foreigners.
Yes.
That's true.
But you're given a reputation as
Yun
like
nga.
a Havana girl.
What do you mean?
Havana, Cafe Havana.
Diba?
Ano yung sabihin nun?
So may cafe kasi dati sa Greenbelt, Cafe Havana. Doon
Okay.
pumupunta yung mga AFAM. At doon pumupunta yung mga babae.
Sa ba to
na-
Greenbelt 1?
Yes! diba?
Okay.
Babae na.
Yeah, diba?
Get. I
Na
mean,
naghahanap talaga ng
Okay.
AFAM.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, there's that kind of judgment.
Oh, speaking of preferences,
Yeah.
Okay.
let's move to the next phase of our...
Next phase 2.
Phase 2.
Phase 2.
Phase 2.
Oh, ayan, sa next phase.
Tutututututut.
Oh.
Okay, kiss, marry, kill.
Kiss, marry, kill tayo.
Alright. Sino una? Who's
Ako,
first?
sige,
Ayan.
babae.
Okay.
I'll go.
Ako dito, ba't may papatayin ba ako sa kanila?
Yes.
Okay. Isa gitna ang kill.
Oh, interesting.
Really?
Interesting.
Why? Anne Hathaway. That's the Queen of Genovia.
Yeah, ito muna ako ha.
Princess lang.
Ang kiss sa akin dito,
Queen.
ang kiss sa akin dito si right side, si Scarlett, then Mary to.
Interesting.
You know what? She kind of gives me
Fiancé vibes.
yes. She kind of looks like Christelle.
Ano kasi, parang napansin ko yung type ko. More on ano to yung matured looking. Like yung both
Interesting.
of these.
Uh-uh.
Siyempre kasi si Scarlett naman very sexy. So siya yung kiss. Pero sa Mary ito, kasi yan talaga yung type ko. Okay. So kill sa akin si Anne. Which is controversial kasi you would think siya yung Mary.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's my
I love her.
answer here.
Interesting. Are we all gonna answer?
Eh, ba't
mean,
mga girls? Ako pa rin.
Ikaw pa rin, ikaw pa
Sige,
rin.
ako pa rin. Ayan. O ito, ang parang isa lang ata ikikisin Mary ko dito eh.
Wow.
Yung nasa right side lang eh.
Ah, wow.
Hindi, joke lang.
Sydney Sweeney.
Ano kasi siya, petite din, pero
Full. Petite and full at
at the same time, hybrid.
Yeah, hybrid. Hybrid
Sorry.
Tesla.
For lack of a better term.
Yes.
So siya, yung dalawa, hindi ko masyadong preference.
Interesting. I would choose Zendaya.
Okay.
Like,
To
all.
what? To all.
To except kill. Like, I wouldn't kill her.
Oo naman.
Okay.
I would choose Anya Taylor-Joy, actually.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Queen of Gambit.
Okay, let's
Sige, let's
check
move.
next.
Oh, ayan, kayo na yan.
Whose is this for?
Us.
Us? Both of us?
Medyo older men. Older men.
Oo, kasi ano problematic.
Lahat actually.
Sige. Problematic. So, issues aside,
Kill?
Sige na.
Kiss, marry.
I would kill.
Si George Clooney. Because?
It's not my type.
Really?
Physically, yeah.
Okay.
Physically, he's not my type. Ito, Titanic. Love na love ko yan sa Titanic.
Okay,
So, ikikiss ko to.
Okay.
Marys.
Ito, Mary, just because Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
It's Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Issues aside, ha? Issues
aside.
Issues aside.
No issues.
Yeah. What if wala?
Blank slate. Tabula rasa.
Yeah.
Mary.
I did love him.
Tabula rasa.
I did love him in Meet Joe Black.
Diba?
Ito
Beauty.
sa ano.
Troy.
Troy.
Fight Club. Fight Club.
Correct.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Walang issue ang mga to. Pero walang issue. I know your face. Pero walang issue. Diba?
Wala nang issue.
Diba?
But none of them are my vibe.
Yeah, kasi hindi sila yung brusco that you're
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Kaya may Zac Efron
I
yun.
kinda like all three.
Really? I would
Boy Next Door vibe.
I would vibe, babysit.
Hindi kaya.
We would hang out and then I would babysit both of them. Yeah.
I will kill Spider-Man.
Oh.
Marry Zac Efron.
Okay.
And then kiss Chalamet. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next.
Ay.
Ay, ba tayo?
Interesting.
Okay. The prompt is pag maganda, panalo, pag pangit, talo. Why?
Why?
Why do you feel like that is?
Well, totoo kasi may pretty privilege talaga. Whether sa Philippines or sa ibang bansa, mayroon talagang pretty privilege. That's true. No? Kasi kasi alam nyo naman ng tao may pagka-judger. Alam natin yan. May pagka-judger tayong lahat. If a person is well put, wag na yun si itsura, pero naka-suit and tie. Would you think sasabihin mo magnanakaw yan? You wouldn't.
Yes, totoo.
Because he was well presented. Especially kung pogi o maganda pa siya.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, people judge you based on how you look muna. And then the rest after that. Ganun ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Ganun. So, para sa akin, mahirap talaga. Maganda, advantage talaga pag may itsura yung tao. Kasi,
No, that's true. I see so many, for example, creators on TikTokers. I won't even say na lang who, because there are too many examples.
Yes,
and not
yes,
just here in the
yes.
Philippines, but all over the world.
Yes.
Of course.
They can just do the bare minimum dance
tama yun.
and it'll get millions.
Minsan hindi nga dance nagli-lip sync lang na sobrang out of sync. Pero
kahit anong gawin, hindi ako alam nyo ba yun?
That's it.
Filter nun, pag pogi o maganda matik, 10 million views.
wow, amazing.
Sorry, medyo masa pala yung content na yun. Pero yun, agad, million dahil lang sa ganun.
Understood.
So sa akin yun.
Totoo din naman.
Yeah.
Totoo. I have no input on that. I'm agreeing. Pero this is general, right? Personally though, ako kasi, I grew up na galit ako sa pogi.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do you mean?
Because lahat ng kilala kong gwapo, mayabang, treated women badly. So to me,
Fresco.
Yeah.
pag gwapo ka, automatic siguro asshole
You're
ka.
not a good person.
Okay.
Interesting. And
Ang hirap pala.
actually, no.
Ang hirap
you-
Joke lang din.
No, you know what though? I did grow up with a bias against pretty girls. Because the pretty
Why?
girls in class were the ones who would bully me.
Okay.
So automatically, that didn't
Mini-mean
resonate with
girls
me.
ka. Mini-mean
Oo.
girls ka.
Yung pag maganda, mabuti, and pag pangit talo, automatically that did not vibe with me. Because
Tama,
growing
tama.
up, it was always the pretty people who made me feel like shit.
Buti pala nabanggit ni bully. Napansin ko sa amin pag pogi, hindi nabubully. Kahit na hindi siya yung varsity, pag escort, automatic hindi siya nabubully. Pag pangit ka, like I was, bullied talaga.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah, dude. Like I was...
Tingnan leeg mo, Brad. Ganun ang mga bawal nun. Brad, sabi niya, ba't may kwintas ka sa leeg? Hindi ko na matatanggal yun. Kahit na anong eskino lang gawin ko. It cannot be removed.
But it's
kasi
not dark naman now.
Kasi nga, ano siya, parang sa diabetes daw. Sign of diabetes daw yun pag may kwintas eh. Kasi
Oh yeah, we talked about that in the last episodes.
Kasi pag medyo may chubby-chubby o mataba, pag may itim yung leg, parang high risk. So
Interesting.
kaya ako may gano'n, not because ginusto ko, di ako naliligo. Yun ang buhay eh. O, di ba? Kaya nga nagpapayat eh. Di ba? Parang hindi na ganun.
True.
Saka nakita inom ako na sa drinking fountain na insecure ako.
Yes.
Kasi yung nasa likod na lalaki, makikita yung bato ko, bro. Di ba? Ang hirap. Kaya alam ko yan.
Nasatawa ako kasi pangalawang episode na to.
Totoo, naalala.
Tapos same insecurity yung lumalabas. Hindi talaga matatanggal.
Gusto ko yung nag-rant talaga.
Ang gusto ko talaga nun.
This is a safe space.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
School uniform namin gusto ko nun. Kasi pag PE, naka-round t-shirt. So kita talaga lagi yun. Pag nakikita ko yung medyo may itsura na Muse, hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Gumaganon ako lagi. Shit. Sorry.
When you say muse and escort, you mean yung mga ano, diba,
magaganda.
yung na-elect sa class.
Oo, kasi maganda siya. Miss Intrams, Mr. Intrams. So di, sana all, di ba?
Yeah.
Akala ko pang Intrams ako nun eh.
You know what? I was elected muse when I was in
Tingnan mo,
the...
sana all. Sana all.
In the fifth or sixth grade. And I competed. But before competing, one of the pretty girls in class came up to me and was like, "Why are your gums so big?
Wow.
Why are your teeth so yellow?"
Amazing.
So ganun binubuli ang girls. Ganun ang bullying ng girls.
And I, for a long time, if you look at photos from that year, I smile like this.
Hindi ko ngumingiti ng full.
It affected how
It affected me so much. And then when I was on stage, I remember my classmates and my other teachers were going,
Hindi ko gumagano.
and I'll go, because I was so nervous because I have big gums and I was made to feel
Bad
like,
about it.
Yes. And even until now, there are people commenting, "Laki ng gilagid mo." Oo. Oo, malaki siya. I mean, it's part of my face. What am I gonna do about it?
Yeah.
I love it now.
It works naman eh. Symmetrical.
Thank you.
Di ba?
Thank
It
you.
works.
I love it now, but I had to work on loving that.
insecurity.
I had to work on loving that part of me. I had to work on loving
skin.
my skin, because I had someone tell me when I was in high school naman, he's half German.
Maputi.
Puti siya. As in, maputi talaga. Parang ganyan. He was like, man, he's like, you could have been so beautiful if you were white.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, fuck, like destroyed and all that stuff. And it really affected me. And wala na. From then, I think I was really made so aware of what the beauty standards were and kind of still are in a way.
Filipinos.
Oo, kasi whitening at every turn, whitening this, whitening that. Gluta. Pero before wala pang gluta. Dati mga lotion pang whitening, ganyan, papaya soap, blah, blah, blah. So much so that when I was younger, it was my dream to get my skin bleached.
Wow.
Yes, and I wanted to like operate on my mouth to like cut my teeth and like really like like do all of these
Grabe.
parang things to hurt my body just so I could fit in and feel pretty.
Can you imagine? And I just remember this. Nung bata din ako, I wanted to do all these things to my bodies also. To my body also. Body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero can you imagine if we as children were allowed to modify our body? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Iba
Oh
pang
my God.
conversation yan.
Ibang conversation.
Iba pang conversation
yun.
yan. Oo.
Yeah. I wanted so much stuff done.
And mas divisive
as a
yun.
kid. Oo.
Super.
Yeah.
Pero I know what you're saying. Kasi before, imagine mo, if I actually had done the whitening on my skin, I wouldn't look like, I freaking love my skin now.
Yeah.
May unique selling point ka nga eh. Kasi unique talaga siya. Like,
Tell me.
Ngayon kasi nakikita ko sa business, yung may nakikita ko yung sa pangkayumanggi na girl, yung sinasabi nung fiancé ko dun, yung nipple tape ba yun or something.
Yeah.
Kayumanggi yung may-ari. Meron talaga ng niche para sa mga morena girls.
Yes.
So, morena is good na rin.
Yes.
the same way as mapuputi is good.
Yes.
So, and ang ganda dito, bago siyang market.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ilang naman sa akin, hindi na puro maputi is beautiful. Iba na ngayon.
Yeah. I think people kasi are realizing that standards are very different from
Yeah.
preferences.
Yes. Yes.
May magandang kayamanggi, di ba? May
Yes.
magandang African. May magandang white girl. Magandang
Oo.
Chinese and so on and so forth.
Yeah. I think it really depends talaga on yun nga, your preference. Kasi a lot of people feel like they need to lord their preferences
Yun nga.
over other people and use that to make them feel bad.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like those people commenting on your
Yeah.
I know. Dude, when I joined
Di naman
Century
nakikita ka na
Tuna,
sa FYP nila ngayon. O, di ba?
You know, I used to be called Mangarin. Because mukhang mangga yung Mangarin.
That's
Babalu,
creative.
Mangarin, all that stuff.
That's
But
creative.
Grabe. Kasi mahaba yung...
mahaba ang baba.
Pareho tayo eh. Mahaba rin yung face ko, di ba?
Yeah. Well, hindi siya mangga. What fruit would this be? Perhaps.
Mahirap. Dragon fruit.
But you know, when I joined Century,
Yeah.
Oh, that
Ayan.
was crazy. I saw
Tingnan mo,
that.
nakita ka nila sumali dun. O, di ba? Huyo sila.
dude.
Di ba?
Like there are a bunch of
Terrible.
people called me like fat. But ang taba nito, ganon. I'm just
Yeah.
like, what the hell? And it's not like it's a bad thing, ha? It's not like it depends again
Okay.
on the body type.
No, it's a bad thing because of the intention.
It's the
that
intent.
they were. Bakit nila sinasabi yun? Right?
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
that way.
Yes.
So,
but what I loved about that competition was they had all parang different kinds of body types.
Ah? What
Yeah.
do you mean? Ibang types of body types?
We had different body types. Like
Okay.
the guys weren't all super jacked.
not all
Hindi
tall.
bato-bato. Hindi
Not
ganun.
all tall.
Okay.
The women, different sizes, actually. And one of them, Tio, oh my God, every time she posts a photo on Instagram, I'm like feral, like, so beautiful. God, she looks like a goddess. Hi,
Yeah,
Tio.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry. But I digress. It's just nice to see the accepted beauty standards
Yes.
evolving now. Because imagine if we had this kind of example before when we were younger.
Bawal din pala sa girls yung pag nagbubuhat before. Even that before. Pag nagbubuhat, hindi may muscle daw.
Totoo.
Ngayon, welcomed na.
yes.
Yeah.
I freaking love that. I mean, do you feel like you have pressure when it comes to like needing to be batak?
Oo, meron. Kasi mas maganda yung damit eh. Totoo yun. Mas maganda ang damit, yung fit ng damit kapag batak ka. Kahit t-shirt na puti, pogi kasi batak. Di ba?
Yeah.
So ako naman, syempre mag-gym din ako. Hindi naman super bad levels naman. So hindi naman ako sasali doon tapos di ba? Hindi ganun. Pero mag-workout din ako. Natigil lang. Pero babalik ako.
Yes.
Yun.
So yun kailangan din kasi that's how you show na healthy. Parang
Yes.
ganun.
That's what I liked about the Super Buds campaign. Kasi yung bagong campaign during your time was be the best you ever. Be the best you ever. So that can be mentally, that can be health-wise, physically, whatever that means to you. And I thought that was amazing. That was a great way to promote this. Para hindi lang siya beauty standards, beauty preferences. It's the best you.
Yeah.
I like that.
Did you guys watch The Substance?
No.
No, not yet. No.
Hindi pa. Kasi horror. So, gabi na lagi muna ako.
Feeling.
Hindi siya nakakatakot eh. Yung trailer. Pero nakakatakot siya sa...
Hindi siya nakakatakot actually.
It's
disturbing.
freaky. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
It's weird. It's absurd, and it's such a great commentary on self-hatred and beauty standards. Because we are always. But it's always drilled into us that we need to be younger, we need to be smaller, we need to have smaller features, we need to know how to do our makeup. And sure, okay. And it's nice that so many things are becoming more accessible now. Like for example, let's take plastic surgery, right? There are people whose lives really become way better after plastic surgery because they feel like a certain part of themselves makes them feel like less than they are. And then they have the power to change that. They have the
Confidence.
access. Yeah. And then they feel better. But could go into something more. Like, when is enough enough?
Yan.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is that the right way to say when is enough enough? When is it?
When is it enough?
When is it enough? When is it enough?
When is it enough?
Diba?
Yeah.
So parang it's nice that plastic surgery is more accessible to those people who need it.
Yeah.
But also we need to be careful when
Okay.
it comes to our self-hatred, be more aware of it
Yeah.
because it could lead to something dangerous
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
irreparable.
I think that goes with not just plastic surgery, but even with working out. You know how there are people
Oh, yeah.
that are
Ayun
so
nga.
obsessed, di ba? Tapos,
Pati sa tenga, kailangan may muscle yung tenga.
oh, di ba? And then they can get sick, they
Yeah.
can break their bones. Like,
Have you seen
Pectoral
videos?
tear.
Yeah.
Pectoral tear, kulay violet na to.
Oof.
Ito hanggang dito.
oof.
It's crazy. Like, I hate watching those videos,
Yep.
but there's this guy na parang nag-arm curls siya ng ganyan, nagbo-bicep curls. Tapos,
Pumutok.
pag ganun, you can see the muscle tear from here
Yeah.
and it goes, "Pah!"
Kulay violet, di ba? It's kulay violet.
It's so bad. And it's true that people can get obsessed
Yeah.
with it. Like,
Yeah.
I know this person online lang.
Okay.
I see their posts sometimes na parang when they don't work out, they get the shakes. They get parang, I need to work out. I didn't work out today. Yung may ganong factor din.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
David like that?
Hindi naman nagsha-shakes, but he'll say something like, I'm fat. And I'm looking at him like, saan po? Sa kilay? You know what I mean? Like, where? But I feel
Okay.
like in David's case at least, it's a
Okay.
lifestyle. It's not an obsession, I would say.
Yes.
So it gets dangerous when you're just obsessed with whatever. Like,
Ginawa ng personality yun.
oo.
Yeah.
Well, pati yung pati sa plastic surgery, dapat kasi alam mong kailan ka titigil eh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pag kasi hindi mo alam, una kasi dyan, baka filler muna, injection, and then papahiwa
I have
na
Botox.
Ayun.
Here.
You
I've
need-
tried
really?
Botox.
Ako.
Hindi ko siya nagustuhan.
You see this? You see this?
Okay.
Yeah, wala.
Okay.
I'm doing my best
To move it. Okay.
I can do this because
Okay.
it's not a lot.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
But yung
Okay.
Ako, I remember when I got Botox, na-off ako sa
The
reflection ko.
Yeah.
No, the reflection. Because
Bakit?
in my head, ganito ako tumawa. Tapos yung lumalabas,
Hindi ko magalaw.
where did you get the Botox done ba? I mean, what part?
here and then here.
Okay.
And then sabi ko, it's part, I feel like the lines when I laugh, sanay na ako seeing that on my
Okay.
face.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I'd
Yeah.
rather, familiarity, parang,
Yeah.
I like it like that.
Yeah. Same naman din. But when I do Botox, parang I don't do it regularly.
Yeah.
Kasi it fades. What a lot of people don't know about Botox is they think that it's the one that makes your face puffy and look
Yeah.
weird.
Ganon, nakaganon.
Yeah, but it's not. It's normally when people look like that, it's because they have a bunch of fillers na,
Okay.
parang unat
Matak.
na yung face nila. And the Botox just kind of, what it does kasi is it paralyzes the muscles in your face so that you can't move it too far
hindi
to
magkaroon ng-
cause
okay.
wrinkles.
Hindi magkaroon ng lines.
Yes.
Okay.
So when I do this, you can see na hindi siya nag-fold.
Right,
Because
right.
there's a little bit here.
Okay.
Yung mga ganon. But Botox fades.
Nalulusaw siya.
After it, parang the effects fade.
Okay.
Because it's really just a substance. It is just a substance.
Okay.
It doesn't stay like a filler, for example. So it just parang nawawala lang yung effectivity niya.
Okay.
And then you can move the muscle again.
Okay.
So what it does is it just really stops that part from moving to prevent the wrinkles.
Okay.
But I don't do it every 6 months.
Yeah.
Parang after 6 months, parang, and then next year na ako,
Okay.
mag-aano.
May may self-control ka sa ganyan.
Yes, because
Yes.
I don't want to never move my face like this. I just want to slow down the appearance of
Okay.
wrinkles. Why? What's wrong with aging? It's not wrong. It's just I just want to make sure that it doesn't cut too deep.
Yeah.
As-
Isa ka nasa industry tayo na you need to
Yeah, because
have good appearance.
you know the same people who will say, "Why are you so afraid? Fake naman ang mukha nito, retokada ganyan." And then they'll go around and the same people will post on other people's videos, "Pangit-pangit naman
Yeah.
ito,
Yeah.
laki-laki ng ilong ganyan." what the hell do you expect people to do?
Yeah.
Diba? No, parang I've seen people you've seen people become so ruthless.
Really bad. Really bad.
In comment sections.
Lahat ng imperfections may po-point out.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's how it works.
Yes. So,
Especially sa women. Parang
Yes.
napansin ko
especially in women.
Actually, that is a good point to make because whenever I look at men on my FYP, I don't see comments like that. Like,
Hindi.
kinakalbo ka na. Not even, right?
True.
Nothing.
Nakapanood ka na, sir. Walang ganun. Wala masyado.
Wala. It's really all on us to look a certain way.
Yeah.
Well, it's unfair.
And while I believe
Yeah.
in like, it's good to grow old naturally and things like
Yeah.
that. I mean, it's also nice to be able to have access to certain things that you want to change.
Yes.
I want to get a boob job
Okay.
when I'm a little older.
I would like to know why because from what I see, the filling is quite very good filling.
Thank
very
you.
good filling.
Yes.
Okay.
For now, I mean, I understand that when I'm older, it's gonna look different, and that's fine. I'm not
Pag
saying
nagkaroon ba ng anak, magkakaroon ba ng
yeah,
dito?
ganon.
Yes,
Yeah, for that.
yes.
And it's okay, but like I don't want that for myself.
Okay.
I just want to like tuck a certain thing in or up or whatever.
To lift.
Yeah, lift, ganon. When I'm older, when I need to. I think it's more of just like a personal preference kind of thing. Which again, going back to preference, it's not like a standard. It's something that I want to do. If you don't want to do it, that's fine.
Yeah.
Diba?
And so you have this thing about when we age, we can change some things that we are insecure about. How are guys? What do you think about wrinkles? Do you think about what are
Sinasabi sa akin lagi, nagka-wrinkles na ako kasi expressive yung mukha ko eh. So, nagkakaroon ng wrinkles dito.
But is that a
dito.
bad thing for you?
Ako, okay din ako sa Botox pag masyado ng halata. Yeah, kasi
You should try it na now. Habang wala pang lines.
ganun ba yun?
That's what makes it look unnatural.
Okay.
Pag may deep lines na, tas magpa-botox ka, hindi ka gumagalaw. Weird.
Yeah. Kasi ako naman kasi, real talk, I want to be, mas as young as possible. Diba? Especially if nasa industry nga tayo na we need to look.
Be in front of a camera.
Yeah, we need to look good. At the end of the day, kasali sa nanonood yun eh. Audience retention. Mas maraming manonood kung mas may tsura yung nagsasalita. That's a fact. Diba? So ako talaga, I'm open. I'm open sa ganun. Pero sa mga operations, wala pa. Kasi happy naman ako sa ilong ko. Ano pa ba? Hindi ko nang papabagay.
Wala ka ng kwintas
Wala
sa
na akong
leeg.
kwintas. Kung mayroon lang eh. Papabalat ako yung leg ko eh para mapalitan eh. Pwede lang eh. Di ba? Pero okay na ako doon. No? Kasi naman, maganda na banggit na. Sa lalaki kasi, hindi yun ang masyadong nagiging judge. Hindi yun ang ginajudge ng tao sa lalaki. Ang ginajudge talaga ng tao sa lalaki kung ano nakating mo eh. Lagi yun. No? So, ang lalaki talaga, sinasabi ko din sa mga friends ko at sa mga sa kapatid ko, at the end of the day, bro, bonus yung itsura, bonus yung appearance, pero yung capacity mo to provide, yun talaga yung tinitingnan at the end of the day. Can you provide for your family? Kahit sabihin natin na bago na tayo ngayon, we're a progressive country, pero meron pa rin talagang conservative values like that na kailangan mapanindigan ng mga guys. Kaya marami kayong makikita, talagang, pumapogi. Di ba? Pumapogi kasi successful. Ganun talaga yun. That's how it works for guys. Kaya yung itsura, not so much. Pero tinitingnan sa guys whole package.
Kaya pala, si malakas at maganda.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi naman pogi. Galing mo.
Diba? Malakas lang.
Malakas kumita.
Malakas kumita. Diba?
Dati kasi kaya malakas kasi nung anong araw, hunter-gatherer. So
Correct.
dapat malakas kang manguha ng baboy ka mo.
Yes.
Ngayon, malakas ka nang mag-provide. Tama o nga, di naman pogi at maganda.
Actually, yeah.
Galing
malakas
mo
at
dun.
maganda. Thank you.
Matalino.
Thank you. Malakas at matalino.
Di naman, maganda naman.
Maganda din. Maganda din.
Well.
But I just also want to say na parang I don't want people to feel bad about themselves
Yes.
and feel like if they see something wrong, they need to fix it
Oo nga eh.
immediately. You know what I mean? There are things that you...
But even your phrasing, right?
Yeah.
Something wrong. Why? It's
What's
nothing
wrong?
wrong. It's
Yeah.
not. It's just something different maybe from
Yeah.
what you usually see.
Yeah. That's why I don't like it when people say your flaws, parang accept your flaws, ganyan. I don't personally see them as a flaw. Like when they point out my teeth or my gums or whatever, I don't see it as a flaw.
Yeah.
It's a feature.
Correct.
It's
There
my
you go.
feature. It's not
Yeah,
it's not a
ganun talaga.
flaw of mine
Ako,
because it's
malaki
not
ipin ko.
wrong.
Di ba?
Yeah, it's a feature
Ganun
lang.
talaga.
Mangarin. Oh, diba? Feature.
You know,
talaga.
sweet.
It's a sweet fruit.
I want to say what I used to be called when I was younger when my bullies would bully me.
Ano?
But I will do that off air.
Okay.
Because I don't want people to use that on me today. We will leave that behind, but people can be so cruel.
Bonjing.
Totoo.
Bonjing.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, so
Tawag sa akin nun, Baby Ansel.
that's cute.
Kasi bonjing daw ako.
It's kind of cute. Baby Ansel doesn't sound like an insult to me.
No.
Looking back ngayon, it was an insult pala.
Bakit?
Kasi parang bonjing daw ako na... Alam mo na, ganun, yeah. That's may adjective sa sarili ko nun, ganun, parang Mr. Bean, ganun.
Oh, okay.
That's so cute.
Tapos maniligaw ka, paano may sasagot sa'yo? Walang sasagot sa'yo doon, di ba? Ganun talaga, kay busted ng mangyayari. Yun ang totoo. Yun ang totoo.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Would you ever consider plastic surgery?
Okay, would you?
Yes, but at the moment, I can't think of what I would get done. But
Yes.
You're
I'm
just
not
open to
close to it. Yeah, I'm not close to it.
Pareho.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
don't know kung ano. Hindi ko rin alam ano mapagawa ko.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
Hindi rin ako maghahanap. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yes,
I
yes,
don't
yes.
want to change. Like when I say get a boob job, I don't want to change it to a bigger size or whatever. I just want it to look the way it was.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Like
For the familiarity.
yes, yes.
Familiarity.
Like even with my
Okay.
Botox, I'm not changing
Yeah.
what my face looks like.
Yes.
I'm just preserving it.
Yes,
Yun,
yes, yes.
yun, that's the word.
Yeah.
Preserving.
I'm just preserving it. Like, you know, when you have your favorite paperback book, right? Let's say Lord of the Rings, first edition. When you
Yes.
read it, you want to be really careful with it.
Yep.
So what do? You wrap it in
Plastic.
paper, in plastic, to make sure that it doesn't get creases or whatever. This is a crease.
Parang sa sapatos.
Yes. So exactly, parang sapatos. Diba there are
Yeah.
guys who don't bend
Yeah.
their
Yung paa,
sneakers,
hindi talaga.
ganyan. That's what Botox
Yes.
is. It's
I
to make
get
sure
ko.
you don't bend it so far that you can get deep creases.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So that's the only thing I'm doing as far as plastic surgery. I don't even feel like I'm gonna do any fillers or whatever. But again,
Papalagdag ng baba, yung mga ganun hindi.
yeah, no.
Hindi ako din.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not going to hold it against you. All I want to say is just be careful. Don't go as far as parang hating yourself pa
Yeah.
rin.
Yes.
Diba?
Kulang pa. Hindi ganun.
Yes, because it'll always be kulang. But I want to hear from our VOPs.
Yes.
We're going to go
opinionated
straight
people.
to the VOP
Sige.
files. Okay.
Ayan. Oh, ito. English to. Ikaw na.
Sige, ikaw na.
Yan. Who's I?
Basta ay. Ha. Yan.
So pangalawang send niya na sa atin ng VO ng ng post kaya it is I again. Okay.
Okay. If given a chance, no. When I was a teenager, I was really
Wait, if
insecure.
given a chance, what?
Surgery,
To
I think.
surgery.
So,
Okay.
Plastic.
So, plastic surgery.
Okay.
I was really insecure by the shape of my nose. I really envy those girls who have beautiful nose.
Okay.
Talagang iba yung naiisip ko noon na, what if magparitoke ako in the future?
Okay.
But as I grow older, I realized that I don't need to have plastic surgery.
Tama
I've
yan.
started to love myself and my insecurities as my uniqueness. So in short, kahit yumaman man ako, hindi ako magpa-plastic surgery. I love who I am. I want who I am,
Okay.
and I will be who I am till I die.
Yon.
That is a very valid standpoint. Yeah. Yeah.
Oo.
But I do feel also that you will be who you are until you die, even if you do choose to have plastic surgery.
Maganda.
Correct.
That's here.
Yeah.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct. Yeah. I think that again preferences lang
Yes,
talaga siya.
yes.
You know, it's how you
So kami
react
takot
to
sa
it.
under the knife. takot din na
Correct.
operahan yung mukha. I get her naman. Pero kung gusto mo naman,
Oo.
hindi na ano ngayon na kabawasan sa'yo pag nagparitoke ka. Hindi ganun.
Yes,
But then,
yes.
kaya mo ba o hindi?
Although people still insult, retokada.
Yeah,
I
may
know,
ganun
I
pa.
know. My favorite one of my favorite content creators, si Miss Linnell on TikTok. She always talks about how nagparetoke siya
Okay.
and stuff like
Okay.
that. And then somebody commented, I love her clapbacks eh. Someone commented, pangit talaga pag retokada. So she took that comment, tas sabi niya, pangit talaga ang retokada. Okay, salamat sa opinion mo. Tingnan natin ang profile picture nitong nag-comment na to. O, ayan, all natural. And then it's like a picture, profile picture. Ayan, all natural. Back, love it. They're
Oh my
laughing.
God.
Okay.
Here's the thing.
Okay.
Kahit all natural ka, if you are being a dick to people,
Yeah.
you're way uglier
Yeah.
than all these people you're making fun of na retokada.
Correct.
Because it doesn't freaking matter to me
Yeah.
kung pangit yung nandito sa loob.
Correct.
What am I gonna
Yeah.
do with you?
Yeah,
Kaya
saka
nga
ano,
ako, galit sa gwapo, di ba? Okay, gwapo ka, pero... Uy!
Yes.
Gwapo ka.
Yes.
saka wag tayo maging insecure.
Oo.
Pag inggit, pikit. Yun lang ang
Correct.
point ko.
Correct, correct.
Diba? May pamparetoke eh. Di, bahala siya sa buhay niya. Diba?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
bahala ka din sa buhay mo kung ayaw mo. Kung satisfied ka na, bahala ka.
Yeah, kung saan ka masaya. That's
Yeah.
the most important part. And if plastic surgery makes someone else happy, be happy for them.
Pera naman yun eh.
Oo.
Diba?
And if this person wants to be all natural, go ahead. Be
Yeah.
happy for them.
Yeah.
I don't think we should be putting down the choices of other people
Yes.
unless it's harming them.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. That's my that's how I feel also. Yung parang unless parang do what you want
Yeah.
as long it doesn't harm others and as
Yes.
long as it doesn't harm you.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, at the end of the day. But really, I think the focus that I want people to remember is that if you do have the means to do plastic surgery, just really be careful. Talk to yourself about it.
Yeah.
Me, when I have bad days, for example, when I have days kasi sometimes na parang I look in the mirror and I'm like, maybe I should get lipo or maybe I should, because I still have days where I'm just like, oh my God, this is not a good day for me. My belly looks like this. My ganito looks like that. My ganito ganyan. On those days, most especially, I try to catch myself and then I do this thing where I go to the mirror
I saw your video. Very
and then
nice.
thank you. I talk to myself and then I talk to myself as if I'm talking to you or like a best friend. And then I go, okay, your face is a little rounder, but didn't we love all the food that we ate? So good. Ganon.
Okay.
Or like, this is getting a little bigger, but it's so nice to touch, right? I bet your boyfriend loves hugging you because it's nice. It feels really good.
Okay.
And you know what? We're,
Yes.
basically a pep talk.
Pep talk sa sarili.
Yes.
Pep talk. Like this belly, very Grecian.
Yeah.
Grecian statue. This is what Aphrodite looked like.
Yes.
Diba? Yung mga ganon.
Okay.
Because those are the days when I need it most.
Positive mindset.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I feel like if you address yourself, for example, if you're looking at things you want to change,
Yeah.
never address these things with hate.
Yes.
Right? Like,
Yeah.
I hate my belly. I hate this. I hate that. Never address it with hate. Always approach it with love.
Yeah.
And be like,
How
okay.
do you do it pag ikaw?
Well, I don't really talk to myself, but I do approach myself with love all the time. All the time. That's
Yeah.
the only way that I'm gonna stay happy, right? So,
Yeah.
on days that I feel like, oh, I'm a little bloated, ganyan, okay lang yan.
Yeah.
That's my mindset. Like,
Yeah.
okay lang yan. There are days where you look at yourself and masaya ka naman eh. It's just
Yeah.
today. It's just today.
Yes.
So,
And what people need to remember is that we are the only people we can never escape.
Yeah.
Diba? We can run away from everyone else. We can fly and disappear off into an uncharted island, but we are still going to get stuck with ourselves.
Yes.
And do you want to get stuck with someone who puts you down all the time?
yes.
Diba?
Yes.
That's-
Someone who hates you.
Yeah.
Why? Why would you do that?
Yeah. And self-talk is a skill, huh?
Yes.
It's something that you practice. Like
Really?
I used to, yes, how you talk to yourself, your
Okay,
inner
okay.
voice, you don't realize it, but the more you do it, that is a habit that you are training. So the more you talk to yourself in a way that is degrading, that is like you're always criticizing yourself. You're training yourself to think of yourself that way.
Okay.
And that's horrible. So
Yeah.
you're more susceptible to hating yourself, to wanting to change something about you that even doesn't need changing.
Yes.
Because when you're looking for something wrong, you will always find something wrong.
Right.
Eto ako di ba, sa girl, ano tinitingnan, makikita mo sa girl, pag ang babae, bright yung mindset, bright yung parang appearance, mas gumaganda. Instead
Yeah.
na lagi nakasibangot, pag laking nakangiti, bungis-ngis, gumaganda.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano?
That's true.
So palang type ko pala, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. Mahilig ako sa maganda ipin.
Maganda
Kasi nga,
ipin.
magandang
Laging
umiti.
nakangiti.
Yeah.
Ganon yun. So, sa akin kasi pag guys, hindi naman kami ganon na pangit ko today, bro. Hindi ata kami gumaganon. Hindi kami gumaganon. Hindi.
Wala kayong day sa
Ako
ganon?
hindi. Wala. Bad hair day. Okay. Di ba? We go to work.
Wow.
Ganon. Ako, nabi-feeling ako na nabubuisit ako pag tamad ako nung araw na yun. Doon ako naaasar.
That makes sense.
Loser ako today. Walang ginawa. Nakatanga lang ako maghapon. Nakatunganga lang ako maghapon. Yan, ayoko yun.
I also noticed.
Matt's like that too. He's like, he criticizes himself when he's not done anything.
Yun ang pep talk namin. Hindi sa itsura na pare, pangit mo today. Hindi ganun. Pare, may extra bilbil ka to, hindi kami ganun.
You
That makes
noticed?
sense. Well, before kasi, especially during the pandemic, ang daming depressed during the pandemic, right?
Okay.
And I would see people on my feed, guys, that were kind of like, alam mo, wala naman akong magagawa kung pangit ako eh. You know?
Yeah.
Pero wag naman kayong masama sa mga pangit. Kasi kaming mga pangit. And I'm just, in my head, I'm like,
He's just calling himself
exactly.
Yeah.
Doon ako na parang, oh no, this is not the mindset that you should have. Na
Yeah.
parang tanggap mo na pangit siya, na pangit ka. You need the confidence to be able to tell yourself na at the very
Wala.
least, sucks ako, di ba? Because if, for example, you're in a room full of confident people
Yeah.
and then you tell them, okay, divide natin yung mga pangit dito, yung mga gwapo at magaganda dito.
Okay.
In a room full of confident people, walang pupunta dyan sa pangit.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Yeah. Totoo.
So it's really also a mindset and it's subjective, I feel.
I saw this video on
Yeah.
TikTok where this guy was talking about how hot is different from good looking.
Tama rin yun.
Yeah.
Tama rin yun.
Like, parang
Iba yun.
he was
Yes.
talking about how the hot guys now are all the uglies. Like
So, ano?
Barry Keegan. Is that
Who's
how you
that?
could say his name?
No
So
idea.
parang batak tapos ganun ba? Yung hot?
Hindi, yung vibe.
Parang
really?
sexy na lalaki.
okay.
For example,
Yeah.
I would say Jason Momoa is hot. Not so guapo. I mean, okay, guapo siya. But
Gwapo yun eh.
more on the hot
How about
side.
si Jason Statham, mga ganun?
Ooh, interesting.
Ganun. You know, hot versus good looking. I
Yes.
get what you're trying to say. Good looking kasi sila Leonardo, DiCaprio,
Or
mga
let's
ganyan.
more current.
Tom Cruise.
Yung mga Chris, yung mga
Evans.
pupunting yan. Like, all the Chrises. Hemsworth, Evans, lahat
correct.
yan. Guapo.
Chris Pine.
Who's your favorite Chris?
Topher De Leon. Joke lang. Pogi din yun.
Oo, before, no?
Pero ang favorite ko doon, si Chris Evans.
Evans. Okay.
Evans, yan. Pero diba, all the Chrises, guapo sila.
Ako Pine.
Pine also.
Pine.
I would say Pine. Yes. I would say Pine.
Love it. Princess Diaries. Oh my God.
Chris Pine si
Super
ano,
love them there.
yung sa Wonder Woman.
Yes.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Yes. He's
So
my
yeah,
favorite.
there is a difference. And so kung feeling mo na hindi ka guwapo, you can be hot in your confidence, in the way you carry yourself, in the way...
Isa pa yun sa guys, tinitingnan. Ang babae kasi pag tumingin sa guy, full package talaga. Kaya nadadala, parang napansin ko nadadala ng hot to si bro, gano'n.
Actually,
Matangkad, ganyan, kahit na hindi ganun ka...
May swag.
Yun,
Diba?
that's the word.
Swag.
That's the word.
But you
may
know what?
swag.
There's some people who, like guys specifically, they feel like, I saw this video again on
Okay.
TikTok. There's this guy talking about how high value women, high value women,
Oh,
high
I saw
value
this.
women.
I saw
right?
this.
And then this guy says, like me,
I'm
a
6'4".
Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
Yung hate na hate ko. Yung
He's like-
self-proclaimed high value man.
Yeah, diba? He said, kasi the girl asked him, what makes you a high value man? And then he goes,
Pera.
I'm 6'4", I have a job.
And I earn 100K a year. Yeah, that's what
And
he
then
said,
we're
right?
like,
Ito ba yung mga black
That's
people?
Yes, that was the
Did you see
video.
that clip?
Yes!
And the girl
That's it.
like
She
shut
ate
it
him up.
down. Perfect.
She ate him up. I'll send the link.
You don't, ano
to
kasi,
the-
ako sa akin, you don't self-proclaim, people will say that to you. Na,
Yes.
high value ka, bro.
And the girl is right. She was talking about the character at the end of the day. She
Yes.
said a lot and I loved what she said. But really, it's the character. Like what you said, na parang kahit maganda ka, there's something different when a woman is intelligent. She has
Yeah.
good character. Same with guys. Like,
Personality.
yes. Yes.
Like yun.
Whatever you look like, okay.
Mata-turn
But
off.
what else?
Yes.
Diba?
Mata-turn off din pag pangit ugali.
Yes.
Both ways. Pati
Both
sa
ways,
babae,
absolutely.
ganun din. Hala, itong masyadong ano to. Di ba? Hindi siya masyadong, hindi ko masyadong type. Ganun
Yes,
kasi, masyadong
yes.
hindi ko siya vibe. Kasi sa yung pangit ugali niya, pero hindi ganun ang type ko.
Yeah.
Same way sa guys. Yun ang
Yes.
ayaw ko yung mayabang.
Yeah, there's a difference kasi between confidence and arrogance, and I feel
Yun.
like a lot of guys can't
Kaya,
Yeah.
know the line.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga.
Confidence is quiet.
Yeah.
Yun.
Arrogance is loud, like empty loud.
You don't have
Arrogance
to-
sounds like an empty can.
Yeah.
Pag
Yeah.
successful ka, you don't have to say it na you will look and appear successful talaga.
Yeah.
As a guy. Hindi mo kailangan sabihin na, bro, I make X amount of hindi. Ang pangit, parang ang kadiri, di ba? Sorry ha.
Oh, totoo.
No, yeah,
Bro,
that's
why do you
gross.
have to say how much you're making, bro? Di ba?
Yeah.
And
Hindi
bakit
lang.
naging personality mo yung
Pera.
tangkad mo?
I'm
Pangkat.
6'4".
Oh,
Di ba?
you're a tree. Very nice.
Nakita, obvious na yun, di mo na kailangan sabihin.
Yeah.
Tama yun, what else? What else can
Yeah,
you
but what else? What else can you offer?
Tama.
And I feel like that's what people need to focus. Kasi you can fix what you
Ayun.
look like again.
Maganda pala yun. Yun yung magandang segue.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
You can fix what you look like all you want. You can try to escape your insecurities, run as far as you can, but you can never escape yourself. And you won't change what you look like unless you start from in here.
Yeah.
Because even if you get this fixed, even if you do this and you do that and you do that, whatever is inside
Yeah.
will always come out.
Pag
And
pangit
that's what people
ugali,
will see. Yeah.
kahit gaano kaganda, kahit gaano kapogi, wala, nata-turn off din yung kausap.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Kahit
Yeah.
na nung una nagandahan o napugian sa'yo. Wala
Yeah.
din, wala din. So ba't maraming single? Kailangan tingnan natin buo kasi. Hindi lang
Yes.
itsura, pati ugali.
Yes.
Deserving ka bang mahalin? Naku, tinan mo naman. Tinan mo naman.
Yan.
Yun, deserving ka bang mahalin? You need to fix that.
Yes.
Improve mo lahat, pati ugali mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun.
So what's your advice for people who feel like they're not super
Ay.
This is actually answering your
there?
question.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Personal beauty is a greater recommendation than any letter of reference. Personal beauty.
personal?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's not dictated by other people.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
dictated by yourself.
Yes. Ano talaga yun pala, no? Ano advice ko, sabi mo, Inga, sa
Yeah.
mga taong ano. Sa akin lang, as guys, kailangan i-improve nyo lang talaga yung sarili nyo. Okay? Kasi yung mukha natin, hindi talaga natin mababago. Pero yung ugali nyo, paano kayo magtrato ng babae, mapagmahal ba kayo? Pag yan nagawa nyo lahat, magkakagusto sa inyo kahit yung feel nyo out of your league kayo. Mangyayari yun. Kasi, full package tinitingnan yan. Hindi lang yung
Yeah.
mukha.
Yes, yes.
Yun ang
yes.
advice ko sa mga guys. Sa mga girls, ano ba advice nyo?
I would say, like for example, with the example of that dude na,
Yeah.
I'm a high value man because this. It's obvious na ayaw na niya mag-grow because I'm already high value.
yeah.
I've attained it
I've
na.
attained it.
Yeah.
And that, for me, is already an X. I think that beauty comes from personally wanting to grow in every way,
Yeah.
continuously.
Yeah.
It's an ever happening journey that you
Yes.
want to grow
Yes.
and you want to change, not even your physical appearance, but
As a
you
whole.
want to grow and be a better person. That is something that is attractive.
Holistically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about you, Inga?
I think a person becomes beautiful when you can see that they're very focused on themselves. And I'm not talking about being self-centered.
Hindi
Correct.
naman. Yung
No.
puging-pugi, hindi naman ganun.
No.
No, no,
Pagandang-ganda.
No,
Hindi.
when a person focuses on their own growth,
Okay.
that's when they become attractive
Tama yan,
and
actually.
holistically beautiful because you can see that they're always trying to become a better version of
Yes.
themselves. When they're focused on becoming a good person,
Yes.
they do good things. And that doesn't mean that they are infallible, right? It
Yep.
doesn't mean that they are without fault, but it means that if they do have faults, they own up to it and they take accountability.
Okay.
And all of these things put together, when you practice all of that, and even taking care of yourself, like being good to yourself in terms of your health, how you eat, how disciplined you are, when you put all of that together, you will find that you have no time to make pintas other people.
Yes.
Actually, yun pala.
Yeah.
Buti nabanggit. Pag masyado kang goal-oriented na tao, wala kang pakialam sa ginagawa ng iba. Isa ka
Correct.
pang point yan.
Correct.
Maganda
And
yun.
that's so attractive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? So, however you feel like what you want to do, for example, let's say you want to change your nose because you really feel like it's not you, it's hindering how you feel about yourself. Okay, sige. If you feel like that's for the betterment of you, I'm not here to judge you. I don't care.
Yeah.
Personally.
Maybe that's part of your growth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige, go. But the point of it is, I don't care. So if I do Botox or if you change something, if you change something,
Yeah.
if I get my boobs done, if you're focused on your own growth, you won't even have a comment
On you.
on
Yeah.
me.
Tama.
Diba? So that's what I feel like people need to focus on at the end of the day. It's not like I don't do that. There are days when I feel like I'm a hater.
Okay.
But, you know, because
Balance.
balance.
Oo.
And awareness. Catch yourself na lang.
Yeah.
Diba? Don't spiral and then just keep going in that momentum. Just catch yourself. Okay, every
Yeah.
now and then, you know, we're human. We fall. But we always...
Nagiging marites din.
Yes. That happens.
Yes, kasi wala talagang perfect, okay?
Yeah.
Not me, not at all.
Yeah.
Sometimes Aaron and I text each other. We're just like, but you know,
Okay.
we do our best to make sure that it's contained.
Yeah.
You know, again, at the end of the day is do what you want to do as
Yeah.
long as you're not hurting others and
Yeah.
you're not hurting yourself. I think
Yeah.
that's really what I want people to take away from this episode.
I love that. How about you, attorney?
Sa akin kasi, as guys, tandaan nyo, kung feel nyo kami kasi alam namin agad pag hindi kami ganun kapugian. Alam namin yun. Tanggap agad kasi sinasabi nyo. Ganun ang guys. Hindi ako masyadong pogi. Pero kasi, alam din namin, meron parang para makabawi kami.
Ang daming comments niya mamaya, attorney, ang pogi niya!
Hindi.
Shorts na!
Hindi. Like ako, alam ko na hindi ako gano'n na iba yung mga itsura sa GMA saka sa ABS. Alam ko yun. Pero alam ko yung ibang bagay ako parang gawin. Para mas umokay din ako, maging attractive din ako na tao.
Tama, magsho-shorts ako.
Hindi yun. Grabe naman. Gusto ko lang maging comfortable. Kaya ako naka-shorts. Okay.
Same.
Love it.
So yun, ang point kasi, ang guys, sabi ko sa inyo, improve nyo ibang bagay. Kung feel nyo di kayo ganun ka-pogi, may iba pa mga paraan para maging quote-unquote pogi kayo. Maging gwapo.
Yes.
Alam na alam nyo yan, guys.
Yeah.
Galingan nyo sa pag-aaral nyo. Pag matalino, tapos normal lang itsura, nagkakaroon din ng girlfriend. Kasi, uy, talino nito, nakakapogi. Di ba? Ganun lang.
I can name so many people but I won't. Na ganun.
Wag kasi baka naman feel nila, pogi sila.
Oo,
Ikaw
totoo,
naman eh.
totoo.
Sinabi mo
Tama,
regular
tama,
lang.
tama.
O, diba?
Totoo.
So ikaw,
Tama.
Arin, what can you share?
Ayun.
Dito sa nangyari?
That's it. I just feel like if you, like what Inka said, if you focus on yourself, then everything else fades away. What other people tell you, what other manggarin, malaki yung gilagid mo, that'll all fade away
You won't
because
have
you're
time.
concentrate on yourself. So,
Yeah.
Pag nakita nyo ng personal si Miss Arin sa kasi si Inga, sabihin sa inyo, magaganda sila. Yan ang totoo. Kala nyo sa sokmed na nanira kayo. Hindi totoo yun. In person pag nakita nyo.
at saka guys,
Attorney shorts are shorter in person.
yung shorts ni attorney. Yes. Leg day. He does not skip leg day.
You know what? Yes.
Yes.
Good job.
Yes. Good job.
Salamat
Good
po.
job.
Yun lang masabi ko, salamat.
Next time magpa-pants na yan. Yan for sure. Joke lang ha. Huwag
Okay,
ganon.
okay.
No, I'm not joking. Good leg day. Good leg day.
Ay, hindi. Good leg day talaga. Yes.
good
Good
leg day.
job.
So,
Okay.
I hope you guys, yung mga ka-VOP natin, I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and I hope it makes you reflect a little bit
Yeah.
also on how you feel about yourself. We want you to feel good about yourself in every shape and form. So, that's what we want to leave you with. And thank you guys. This is a very enriching
Yes.
discussion
Yeah.
once again. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. My name is Aaron. You can find me as Aring King King, ARYN King King on all social media platforms.
Okay.
Your name is really one of my favorites.
Yeah,
talaga.
Aring King King. Pasok.
Diba? Sing it.
Aring King King King. Aring King King. Hindi nyo alam to. I'm sure the Gen Zs.
90s yun.
See?
Alam
They
nila.
don't.
The Aring King King they know is Kendrick Lamar. Yung see? See? Kendrick Lamar. Aring King King. Aring King King.
yeah.
That's what they know.
Yeah.
And that's what people think your name is.
Yes, but when you're my age,
Jolina.
Magic Carpet Ride.
Di ba Jolina
Sinasayaw
to?
namin.
Jolina era to.
Jolina era.
Yes.
Mga
Yes.
1995.
Look it up. Listen to the song in a
Aring
bit.
King King King.
Yeah, because that's what I hear every time.
Correct.
But my name is Inka Magnaya. There's no song there. But you can find me across all social media as well. It's INKAMHENAYE.
Attorney Anselmo Esrojel IV. You can find me Attorney Anselmo on all social media platforms. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. This was Point of View, and we hope we see you again in our next episode.
Salamat po.
Bye!